All right, we're going to open up the new eyelash kit. Everything is in order. Here you can see you have your sterilizing tool tray and the concentrate. There's a video that explains how to mix that up. The mannequin head, and there's some trainer lashes inside, 5 pairs. You can also just order extra. So as we open it up, on the left side are our classic eyelashes. On the right side are our mega volume and our 3D and 5D lashes. They're pre-made, and then the blooming ones are on the right side. So keep them like that. You can tell that they are because they are 0.15, which is a thicker thickness for the one-on-one, the classic. So you have a C mix tray. C curl is a nice curl. And you have a full mix tray that has all the lengths from 8mm long, which is short, the inner corner, 9, the inner corner, 10, starts to get longer, 2 rows of 10, 2 rows of 11, 2 rows of 12, 2 rows of 13, 1 row of 14, and 15mm are the longest, very long. So that's how you can rate them. It's a mixed tray. And then you have 2 extra trays in the C curl that are very common, that you probably use them up quickest. So this gives you a full tray of 8,000 lashes in there, 12mm and 13mm, which are the very common lengths to use. Then we have D curls, which are very curled. They more are like a clamped eyelash look. So it curls right up and shows from the front. So you have a mixed tray of all the lengths from 8 to 15, again, millimeters long, to 10 and 11, which are very commonly used as well. So you have more than enough to do 40 to 80 sets of lashes there. And then we have our lash applicators, disposable. I send them home with a mascara wand, 2 types of tape, a lashing map tray, a lashing mat, and it has the lengths, and it kind of spreads them, curls them, fans them out for easy application and picking them up. Then we have 50 of our hydrogel patches, micro swab applicators. It's a nice little pop-up container. We have all of the different types of eyelash tweezers and a pair of scissors. Then we have, for setting the lashes, a nano mister. We have a glue remover in an applicator, kind of a brush-on one. A fan blowing dryer. To dry the lashes and fumigate them. Glue rings. Here's your 2 types of glue. We have the large one is a 10 grams, and a 5 mil. This is our classic 3-second. So once you get down your technique for isolating and applying classic lashes, you'll want to upgrade for the volume and for a quicker set, which is 1 second. It does say on the back how long. This is 1 second, this is 3 second. And we have 2 silicone lash mats. Just keep the little plastic covers for them so that they don't get fuzzy on them. You just rinse them off with warm water, pat them dry, and these are what we use for applying our lashes and any that we drop. Here's our cleansing tools. We have our KBI organic foam lash cleanser, and then our primer, which is a no sting primer, but it really takes the oils out of the lashes, so it does adhere and you get a long-lasting wear by using this primer. We have a lash ring palette, which all kind of goes together, and you wear it on your ring with a glue finger for easy application. And then here are our mega volume lashes. You have 2 mixed trays, one in a D curl, one in a C curl, and there are over 12,000 lashes in here because the thickness is a lighter weight, very light feather weight, 0.07. So that's how you can tell that there are mega blooming lashes, and they fan out and almost are like magnetic at the root, so they adhere very quickly and very easily, and yet spread out to make a beautiful fanned out 3D, 5D, 7D lashes. So while you're practicing and working on that technique, you can use the pre-made fans, which are 0.07 as well, and you have a 5D and a 3D, which means 5 lashes are on each one. This one has 3 lashes on each fan, and you apply these to make a thicker, more solid look. So that's our awesome kit. It's just like Christmas, has enough to do over 80 sets of lashes and get you started with all of the extras.